So right here we have the Amazon Basic 4 shelf. It's 54 inches high. This thing measures about 36 inches wide and 14 inches deep this way. This is a solid shelf that has 350-pound capacity per shelf. This one is the black one. They do come in chrome and they're super easy to set up. You have these little clips allowing you to attach on each post and move the shelf accordingly. As you see, we have a very unique setup because we wanted to have a lot of space here. You can adjust the shelf however you want. You have 4 shelves to play with. You don't even need to use all 4 shelves. Of course, if you have more shelves, they are more sturdy. You should have at least 1 shelf at the top holding these things together. But if you want to adjust them, you can adjust them really quickly. The mechanism right here, I'll show you how it works. If I pop this up, you can kind of see the mechanism. On each corner is 2 clips right here. So I'm gonna pop this up. Each corner right here, you have these 2 pieces that will clip together. And when you clip them together, they sit along these rings right here. And then you just slide the shelf on top. And then you kind of use your hand to hammer it down a little bit. Or if you have a mallet, that's even better. But these shelves are very easy to adjust. They handle 350-pound capacity each. And the whole shelf is actually easy to move around because it's pretty lightweight. And if you have unstable ground, the feet can adjust by just turning these things right here to adjust the height of the feet so that it's more stable. There we go, guys. This is a 4 shelf Amazon Basic. Super easy, 350-pound capacity. This one is the 4 shelf version that goes up to 54 inches, 36 inches wide, 14 inches deep in black finish right here.